Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back, and today we're going to be unboxing the June Kinder Beauty Box. So if you'd like to see what we got this month, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so we have the June Kinder Beauty Box. If you didn't know what that is, it is a $25 a month, I believe. I'll have all the information listed down below, of course. But it is a monthly subscription box of cruelty-free and vegan makeup. And it is delightful. There's really no other way to describe it. It is delightful. I love it. I've never been disappointed in a box, and I've been getting it for a few months. I will link my entire playlist down below so that you can go back and watch previous Kinder unboxings if you would like. I love it. If you're in the market for trying out some vegan makeup, I highly recommend this box. So let's see what we got this month. So we have our, ooh, it smells really good as soon as you open it. Ooh, I hope that doesn't mean something leaked. We have our card that tells us all of the details, but this is what it looks like when you open it up. There's a sponge right on top and then some stuff inside. So let's see what these are first before we get into the actual product. So we've got this Switch to Pure. Okay, so it's a code for the Switch to Pure sponge, which is this. That's cool. And then All Natural Clean Color Revolution. Oh, so just some information about the All Natural product that we got in here. Okay. So since this is right on top, we'll just grab this. This is the Switch to Pure Konjac Sponge. Looks like this. Is this what smells? It's not. Okay. So what this says is, this incredible sponge gently exfoliates and cleanses the skin, leaving a radiant glow. It removes dirt, excess oil, impurities, and makeup. Simply soak the sponge and add your favorite soap to the sponge for a deep cleanse. This natural, sustainable, biodegradable, cruelty-free, and vegan-friendly beauty tool is made without parabens, latex, platelets, or synthetic fragrances, and it retails for $10. Okay. I'm excited to give this a try. So the next thing, ooh, it's this. It smells so good. Oh my god, it smells like a dreamsicle. It smells like a dreamsicle. Okay, what does this say? Oh, it is from the Kind Poppy. I love their bath bombs. And it's the Dreamsicle Salt Bar Soap. That's why it smells like dreamsicle. It says our favorite summer treat is now blended with an ocean twist. Your body will feel moisturized, exfoliated, and incredibly soft. We love the smell of sweet vanilla swirled with fresh, I can't talk, citrus fruit, and we are outright obsessed with the exfoliating sea salt. Using sea salt creates an eco-friendly alternative that won't pollute the planet with microplastics commonly found in exfoliating products. This sensational blend was custom made just for Kinder Beauty, and it retails for $8. Okay. Yeah, it's just this little soap. Oh, okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to smell like a dreamsicle. It smells so good. I love it already. It doesn't even have to actually clean me. I just like it because it smells good. Okay. Thank you, Kind Poppy and Kinder Beauty. So the next thing is this face toner, green tea and lavender flower. And what this says about it is, it's from Gypsy Soul Organics, and it says this lavender flower facial toner is infused with green tea, aloe vera, and witch hazel to balance, clarify, and hydrate combination oily and blemish-prone complexions. It is formulated to reduce oiliness, fight blemishes, and treat combination or oily complexions. It smells amazing too, and it retails for $30. And now I have to smell it. Yeah, it does. It does smell good. I am not mad at this, and I'm very excited for this. So next we have our All Natural product. It is a powder highlighter in Aurora. This is a powder highlighter with a pump. That is a strange thing I've never seen. Let's see what this says. All Natural is a clean break from toxic makeup. Finally, full spectrum color. Play with all day. Colors stay. Made with good for you ingredients that support your skincare. Welcome to the clean color revolution, and it retails for $32. I am so interested in. Oh! Oh, okay. It came out. The lot came out. It's really pretty though. Okay. Okay. If I wasn't already wearing a very beautiful blinding highlight, I would put this on my face. But I am, because I just filmed a video on this makeup. But the color is beautiful. I'm not sure about the packaging, but we'll play around with it, because you guys know I like to glow anyway. So if it gets all over my face, is it really bad? So the last thing in this month's box is the Sensuals Grapefruit Turmeric Hand Repair Cream with Shea Butter. I'm not mad at that. You guys know that I love to get anything that can hydrate my skin, because my skin is very dry. This says this 100% natural cream is fast absorbing and provides deep nourishment to hardworking hands with replenishing shea and cocoa butter. It's handcrafted with organic argan, sweet almond oil, and aloe to repair and restore the skin, while pure essential oils offer a beautiful aromatherapy experience, and it retails for $8.65. A very specific number. It is sealed, so I can't smell it for you, and I already have an open hand cream, so I don't want to open this and waste product, but I'm very excited for it. Okay guys, so that was the June Kinder Beauty box. Altogether it has a retail value of almost $89. So honestly, I think it's well worth your money. I'm very excited with the things I got. This, a bar of soap. It smells so delightful. I might just sniff it all day, and it smells so incredible. Same with this toner. Oh my god. This is interesting, and I'm excited to play around with it and really see. Am I gonna be a glowy mess? Is it actually going to work well? We shall see. Hand cream, of course, I'm excited about. Always excited for that, and I'm really curious and interested to try out this sponge. So yeah, I can't complain. I'm actually a big fan of this month's box. So yeah, I will have all of the information to get your own box linked down below. I highly recommend it, even if you aren't strictly into vegan beauty. You still get tons of incredible products, and like I said, I cannot speak highly enough of this box. Highly, 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 highly recommend it. So yeah, like I said, I will have all of my Kinder unboxings linked down below, as well as my vegan friendly playlist. I have an entire playlist dedicated to vegan friendly beauty, so I'll have that linked down below too if you're interested. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell on your way out so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, which is 2 to 3 times a week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!